What's up, boys and girls? Your bitch is back with another YouTube video. As y'all can tell by the title, we're doing a late night beach vlog today. I'm at work right now, and Money's about to come pick me up, and then we're gonna go to the store, get some stuff for s'mores, get some wine. Then we're gonna head over to the beach. The whole crew is coming out tonight, so we got some good footage coming for y'all today. So without further ado, let's get to this motherfucking video. All right, y'all, so I'm out of here. Money is outside, so we about to go hop in the car real quick, and let's get to going to get the stuff for the s'mores and stuff. Bye, Erica. Bye, Janice. Yes, girl. So we about to get it to you.
Hey, sister. It's really, really nice to meet you. I love how everyone is trying to kill my joy.
Who's trying to kill your joy?
They posted the post saying like how I was the first cheerleader to get an American World Championship and then a Canadian World Championship. I did that in 2022.
Right.
Let it.
Period.
This girl just did it in 2025. They're like, oh, she did it too. She did it too. Don't bring on my fucking parade. Damn, I did it first.
That girl ain't got nothing to do with me.
Right. Her goddamn post, not mine. Fuck. Niggas don't even want a black person to be great no more. And the bitch black too. But she Canadian.
Well, nigga, what? What the fuck does that have to do with anything?
That she is black and Canadian. When we ate first female and male to ever do it. Period. Come on.
Who said that out there?
No, it was Darius. Nah, they on my dick.
Is that really?
Where?
I saw him the other day.
I just drove by.
Yeah, I saw him.
I was like, she did it, 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 she did it,
Oh, literally, there's no fucking service out here. This shit is crazy. So what store are we going to?
Dollar Tree first. I know they got marshmallows and all that shit there, so they spent $3 a pop at Pops and then top
Okay.
We get majority of stuff from the Dollar Tree.
We going to Dollar Tree. Mara's there. Oh, let me go see. Let me go look at her location. Not you running. Girl, we at Dollar Tree, girl.
He said, okay, we will see what the rest of the day brings. I tried to... Oh, the gag is...
Oh, she texted me because she forgot to have my car towed. Right. Oh,
this is 100 of these. We only need one, right? We get graham crackers, like, because those are graham crackers.
Those are honey graham crackers. I mean, doesn't
Those
really
is
matter.
good.
Yeah, they're good to me, but I don't know.
Do they got regular plain ones?
Let's ask.
No, we're gonna get the
Hey,
honey
yo,
graham.
y'all got.
We're gonna get the honey graham.
Janiyah threatened to whip her ass. I was like, oh my god.
Fresh 3-pack. I want to open this to see how many is in here. I'm gonna buy it. I just need to see how many is inside here.
Girl, because we got a couple of people coming. Everybody gonna want a s'more.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my god. I can't. The ghetto. Why? Look how I just tried to get this. It's not even. Already probably like, this bitch opened it her in the store. I'm gonna buy it though. Doesn't even matter. Okay.
Just tell them you know Mara.
So how many of these should we get?
2.
2? That's it?
That's the only pack in there?
No, it's 3 of this. It's 3 of this in here, but it's 20 of us. Should I get like 5 boxes?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. It's a dollar store anyway.
Yeah, I was about to say it's a dollar store. You got this little bag like an auntie. I love it. And none of your siblings got kids. Like.
Should I get 6 just to be safe?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Right,
Anything you don't use, I'm taking home. No, I just want to make it
That's
home.
fine. Chocolate and marshmallows. Where's the marshmallows?
Where'd she go? That's a you. Hold on.
They're probably over here.
Oh, pineapples are so good. Ever since Puerto Rico, girl, I can't stop eating them.
What, pineapples?
Yes. It's so good. Oh, my bad, y'all. Y'all gonna have to be mad if I come naked.
Oh, I see tiny marshmallows. Where's the big marshmallows? You might have to get that. Oh, right here.
Those is not big. Oh, here you go. Hell no.
No, these are big.
They different shapes, they.
Different shapes?
Yeah, look it.
Oh, they rectangles.
They squares.
Oh, maybe we need to fluff one. So we gotta get those.
Are they right here?
They are?
Oh, here they go. Oh, no, these are stuffed. Hold on, wait. Are these regular ones?
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
Okay. We probably need like 3.
Some aunties up in this bitch. Well, I am one.
So 3.
But
All right, so we got the sticks, we got this, we got these. So we need to get the chocolate,
the wine. Oh, you got the wine.
I already got the wine.
Ice.
So ice from Tops,
Yeah.
chocolate from Tops.
What else did you say on that?
But we need
thing?
something to drink, like regular drinks.
Oh yeah, because not everybody gonna want to drink something.
So let's get a water, just in case people be
Water.
Just in case somebody thirsty for water.
We need something with some flavor.
And then where's the? And we could get these too. A fruit punch.
No.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, I would say let's get a cola, girl. Everybody like a
let's get
fucking
a cola.
cola and some orange.
And some orange.
Or some
okay.
Sprite. You choose.
That's a lemon lime. Let's get an orange.
The orange.
That's root beer.
Oh shit. I'm sorry. I just read what Bug said in the chat.
Should we get a fruit punch? Too? Obviously, we should get a fruit punch.
Okay, hold on.
I'll hold the fruit punch. Alright, so we got these plus this, and then the rest of stuff we get for top. 30. 30. Dirty 30. That's me in 3 years. That was
She's 9. She's 24.
I wish. You got some feet? No thanks. That's our weather. This is it, right? Yeah. Okay, good.
Thank you.
See ya.
I'll see ya.
Drop this off at the car and we into top. I feel like the really most expensive.
I wish the top would get into me. The fuck?
The really most expensive is gonna be the wood.
Probably.
You know, it's not like 30 a pack.
For real. I bet they Chevy Cruze works. You don't see that Chevy Cruze over there?
I don't know what that car looks like on the whole.
With my, what does my car look like? Oh my god. Oh my god, gay people. Oh, I'm sorry.
What was that, 30-30?
Yep. I'm about to say, why this shit so zoomed in? I know it was zoomed in for no reason. My kid gonna be there, put some damn clothes on. You bringing his kid?
Yeah, we can get $50 at the liquor store. Okay.
Oh,
What
fuck.
else we need? Oh, we need chips,
Ice.
ice.
And 2 niggas to eat our ass. No, I'm just playing.
Not this aisle.
Is that John?
It's not that aisle either. What the hell?
Bro, what the hell he?
Oh, the chip aisle right here.
You was about to confuse the shit out of me. I was about to leave.
I'm talking about where is the chips? Okay, like these things right here.
Ah.
We already need like what, 2 bags?
Yeah, I low-key want some salsa.
Okay. That's fine.
We need chocolate. Oh, you
Oh,
didn't?
it's right here.
Oh, shit. You didn't end up getting chocolate.
No. Remember I said they probably got the bigger packs?
So I'm confused. What exactly are we putting ice into? Did somebody get a cooler?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool,
Doug's got a
cool,
cooler. Need chocolate. Where's the candy?
Candy, crackers, cookies. You can understand that shit? You got me fucked up.
15.
The baddest.
Like, these ones got like this, but it's still tiny.
What do those ones look like?
Oh, wait. What about these?
Those are dark chocolate. I ain't eating that shit. I'll throw up.
What was the difference?
It's bitter. It's not sweet. Get that.
Which ones?
The snack packs.
Oh, like this?
Mm-hmm.
It's mad garbage. Everybody had. This is $6. How many are in here?
For real. Because we could just get the $2.99 one for real.
I don't even know how many is in here. It's not even clear what the count is. Oh, nope. That's not.
Oh my god, you have a tattoo on the back of your neck. Never noticed that before.
Because my hair goes down. I don't know how many in here, but maybe 3 bags.
Yeah, that should be good. I hope so anyway.
Alright, we have to make sure this is right by the ice because it's going to melt in my goddamn car.
Oh no, for real, we gotta book it.
Facts.
ASAP. No Rocky.
Chocolate, ice,
Tortillas.
tortillas. What else?
We got-
Wood and lighter fluid.
You can get wood from here?
Yeah.
I gotta see the shit in person. I do not believe you.
Excuse me. Do you guys sell wood here?
Yes, and Alpine.
Oh my god, y'all really do got wood. I'm gagging.
Bonfire is
I
like
don't know
Yeah.
why he acted like that.
Don't treat me like that. I'm gagging. Y'all, she trying to call me stupid. Like, girl, don't play with me. Like, what? Oh, I'm pretty. the fuck is in the same aisle as the dog toy shit? What the hell? Oh, they got coolers. This one is top sell clothes. What the fuck?
I see charcoal. What you I see what they got the last stack. That's all right. We taking it.
Okay.
We need that.
How we gonna get? Oh, it's a whole stack of wood. Oh, that's okay. Do you want me?
Please remove all items. Please place the item in the bag. Please show your luggage, shopping, and tags.
Damn. Why is this becoming such a process? This skin is nice. We'll put my mom number in at the end. She won't know.
Please remove the last item from the bag and scan it before placing it in the bag.
It's 2 Arctic Ice. We did
There's
that.
2 Aussies on there.
Select another payment. Please remove the last item from the bag.
It's away.
Girl,
Okay.
$60.
Woo!
You want some bags or no?
We need a bag, yeah.
A bag? Good?
3.
2.
2.
Yeah, we need 2.
1 for garbage for when we, you know?
I think we should get extra.
No.
Scan your loyalty card. Enter your area code,
Oh, you got one.
phone number, 10 digits, and press done. Do you have any coupons? Follow the instructions on the card reader or select another payment type.
It's a tip. What you was doing?
I don't even know what's happening. Don't ask for the password, please. I don't remember. I haven't used this card in years.
Just press the enter button.
What's that? Not the password.
Decline. I would cry. My goddaughter said that man alone. My card
Select your
declined.
method of payment from the choices shown below.
Wait,
Not authorized.
just use when it asks, just use credit.
Follow the instructions on the card reader or select another
Same
payment
thing?
type.
Just press the answer button.
Oh, that's probably why.
Please don't do this.
Oh, okay.
Select your method of payment from the choices shown below.
All right, let's get these 3 bags. Get the 3 bags.
Oh.
Oh, you mean
Wait, what? It only took a certain number off. It only took 28. It still is $28.
What the fuck? Why did you do that?
Didn't you just say you ain't used that card in years?
Yeah, but you're playing. Why did they only take that much? That's weird.
That means that's how much it was left, right?
No, there's $100 something on there.
They can on you. Unless they've been taking the money out. You never know.
Nah, they would. I get a notification every day whenever I use the card. Something happens with the card.
Yes, here, honey.
What's happening? This is like
Select your method of payment from the choices shown
What the hell?
below.
I'm so confused.
What's going on? I only got $6 in my account. What's going on?
Follow the
Oh,
instructions
okay, I
on
remember
the
this.
card reader or select another payment
There
type.
it is.
Please remove your bags and take your receipt.
Why was that such a process? Get the 3 bags, boo. Fuck us bag up.
This bag right here between my legs.
Oh, I didn't even know you like that.
Thank you for shopping at Kohl's.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
It did, I took it.
Oh, okay. I was thinking, how much was that?
Oh, shit, this wood getting kind of heavy, the frick. We en route to the beach. Fuck, we en route to the beach. Girl, I just changed my clothes in Elle's car, girl, because, girl, please. But we about to be on our way there. We're going to be there. I'm going to see y'all when we get there. We want to be on our way there. It's getting hot, girl. Look at my skin. I'm getting a little shiny. All right, bitch, so we just...
See how we about to get down here, though.
Yeah, let's look at that. All right, bitch, we just got to the beach. We about to see how we supposed to get down. Let's see. Hold on. Let's give it a test run, girl. Do you want us to bring the stuff in, see, or are you just gonna lead us, or what? Oh, she want us to hold that. She want us to hold that. I heard you turned 21 this year. I just turned 21. It's amazing. It's steep. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. Girl, because I think I'll find a thingy, but it's too steep. Wait. Oh my fucking gosh. Who's walking down this steep ass shit?
There's no beach. The current's too close.
Yeah, so we have to go somewhere else.
What?
Ask Key where he is, honey.
No, not Key. I'm not talking about Key. Yo, so he said he went fishing. There was a dock. So
Apparently, Elle got another Jameer in her life, and she fake as fuck for not telling me that. But you know, I'm about to meet him because I want to know about this other Jameer. All right, y'all, so change of plans. Actually, when you go down, like, let me show y'all. Let me actually show y'all what just happened, girl. Literally, if you go down, like, as soon as you hit down, there's the water. Girl, so we can't even have, like, no real actual, bonfire on the beach, girl. We got to do it on the lot. So me, Elle, and Elle's sister decided we just going to do it on the lot, honestly. We going to wait for these people to take the grill over. Let the grill go. And then we just gonna have it on the lot. We didn't really have to do it on the water. I was excited to do it on the beach, but girl, it really don't matter either way. I'm just having fun, girl. Elle. Say something to the peoples. Say something to the Glen boys and girls, girl. That's all you got?
no, it's mosquitoes out here. It's about not yet.
All right, y'all. So we about to try this Jamaican. There's a bug on my fucking head, and I can feel it. Get off of me. So we tried this Jamaican wine cooler.
I'm waiting for them niggas to move out of that thing so we can take
This
that
is
drink.
real good. Okay, no shade.
You said what, sorry? I think they are. I think they are gonna move it.
They need to hurry up because I want to make s'mores for real.
I feel like by the time that everybody get here, that'll be the time that they gonna be moving.
They right there.
They right there in front of us. I don't think they're gonna be there for too long. They just sit and chit chat.
I know those people is leaving, so we can definitely go still do that bonfire down the beach. Okay, you feel me?
There's a spot down there.
I don't know. Well,
Yeah, because the water, if you go down there, the water just go right up.
Wet. I don't want to be on wet sand. I don't like sand, period. No, wet sand?
We about to sit on a rock. No, I'm just playing. I'm a kid.
What?
No, I got nervous.
They got nervous halfway there.
Mind you, you can barely walk.
Exactly, that's what I mean, bro. I mean, we walked through,
Yine, not wine. Yine.
There's a big white lady over there?
for no rambunctious white women today.
No, the man was
I'm
talking
a
about
bumptious
it.
white woman today.
He said it's 18%. I said, bring a chair or a blanket.
Big K, Nanny.
Did y'all bring y'all blanket?
Yeah, facts, because we didn't know the deal. That's how shit go.
That's the key.
Do that. That makes real sense.
Hi.
Go get it. Right now? Yes. Why would you not sit down here?
Kiara just arrived. Say hi to the vlog, babe.
Look at her.
What's going
Put
on?
jeans on. No, I'm just kidding.
Maddie, come say hi to the vlog.
I know.
Don't do my subscribers like
Eli?
me.
That girl got edibles in her hand.
Okay, that's why I asked if you was tired. Your eyes are blow already.
All right, so Kiara and Maddie brought a blanket, and I got tired of sitting on the wood. LOL. You're stupid. Hold on, wait.
Yo, what did you want?
It's mad people here.
Oh, yeah, facts.
L, something tell me these niggas not about to leave. Look, they got more people coming.
They know them?
Oh, hell no.
No, they don't know them. Oh, do they?
They do. Oh, no, they don't. They leaving.
Are they leaving? Because we going to slide right over there. Yo, get your ass up. Get up.
Yo, swear to God, bro.
No, I didn't say they were leaving. I said the people that walked over there were leaving.
I
I know that's good. Let me stretch. Girl, they taking too long, and as soon as these motherfuckers leaving, I'm gonna run up out of there.
Oh, and he brought the...
I ain't never played track in high school, but baby.
You gotta dig it.
Baby, they about to see me stretch it out tonight, baby. Pause.
I'll get reparations right now.
Damn, my ass look bad. I'm stupid. Bitch, we got our spot. Girl, I'm ready now. I'm ready now.
Turkey with your friends. Now you getting drunk.
Y'all can't see my ass. I realized I didn't show y'all the fit. Hold on, wait. What y'all
I've been
think?
here mad long.
Is it giving that? And then I got the black sweater over it like a bad bitch that I am, you
I've stayed
know.
long enough. Well, I'm not waiting for these days. Okay.
Shit, I usually drink my liquor straight. Yeah.
You know what's crazy? Go L, go L, go L, go. All right, y'all. So it's getting dark. So like, you know, it's getting dark, and I ain't bring my light with me. So I'm gonna record what I can, but yeah. Lexi just pulled up. Hi, Lexi. Where? Sexy, so Lexi. Oh. Motherfucking Kiara, big Kiara, not the little one.
Not the little one.
Okay, and that's on my daddy G.
Okay, period.
Y'all know.
I told you they.
Can I get that light real quick though? I gotta tell my vlog something. I'm just playing. Oh, yeah, you can use it. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I gotta pee, and on my daddy G, I'm not using that porta potty. On my daddy G, I'm not using that porta potty.
Okay, so yeah, I never really understood.
Put your fucking clothes back on.
I never really
Where the
understood
fuck
what the
is
fuck
your
was
hoodie
going
at?
on. Why is he in my confessional? Like I gotta square up with this
Niggas
nigga
get
too.
naked
Every
just to
time I turn
confess.
around,
Niggas
every
get
time
naked to
that's why
confess.
I got naked to fight.
These
because
are
I'm
my
not doing that shit around
confessions.
here.
I'm a
Like,
fairy.
see,
Fuck is
or
you
niggas
talking
get
about,
accessories.
nigga?
See, and this is what the fuck I be talking about. Like, I don't give a fuck because body tea at the end of the day, clock that fucking tea.
Ass is flat.
Anyways,
Ass
this
is
shit was
flat
never flagged.
as
Y'all wanna get
old
close up,
soda.
this shit was never-
Old soda. This is old.
Said, does he want to square up? Do you need that?
Oh, baddies. Post for me. Ass fat, slim thick, no tummy. Drink is out with no money. If it ain't in my mouth, bitch, don't show me. Period. It ain't smoke. Your baby daddy wanna fuck with two broke. Getting more money with a name in that mouth of a bitch's choke on me. Oh, wait. Kiara's so silly. Kiara, you can't jump! They jump in! Somebody jump in! Somebody jump in! Yo, Kiara! Get her, Kiara! What up? Wait, don't get the boss sister, what's up? What the fuck?
Hold on. I just want to say thank y'all for coming out, man, you know.
Yeah, real black shit.
We all black. I love my black people. I love my friends. I love my
Even the white folk.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My white
There's a couple of white chocolates.
All right, my arm gets
There's a couple of white chocolates in this
That's crazy.
motherfucker.
That's nasty. But you know, be black, live great. If you white, be white. I can't even see if it's lighting up. Or
Just
is
leave
it
it there.
lighting up?
Touch the orange
Just leave it there.
Orange part.
Yeah, come on, touch it.
Why they not igniting? I'm not gonna lie. We're not. You got it.
Oh, shit!
Where to go? Yeah, that's what I was like. How to do it? I don't even know. I'm trying to like put it up. Put it up. Now, down.
Fuck niggas can't fuck with me, nigga.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, y'all. So I'm about to fuck these niggas up. It's nothing.
Okay.
I'm putting
Okay.
straight belt to ass.
Okay. Type. No. You're in the vlog. Yep. Hey, hold on. Okay. I don't even know the song that's playing. What's playing?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mo! Because I'm about to get active tonight. Hold my sweater. Hold my sweater.
I don't even know what the fuck going on. See, there's too many cultures.
Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes.
But them hoes didn't even say go. Like, they shit.
Go.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, blame it on Black with it. Yeah.
Where they going? Where they going? I don't know.
Look, Lexi coming back right now.
Wait, where they going though? Where they going?
They gonna bring him back. Gabby went?
Yeah, where they going?
They bringing him back, I think. Yeah! Y'all saw that shit? Did y'all fuck with that shit? That shit made my pussy. That shit made my pussy wet as fuck. No shade.
I need to be on one of them.
I'm ready to slap something now. All right, y'all. So I'm back at work. It was a good time. I had a great time at the bonfire. Can't wait to do it again. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to love yourself first and always. And remember, don't put name pop up because mama is boring. Until next time, have a bonfire this summer, ho.